Hello people, I just want to do a quick tutorial on how you're going to remove a sound from a video. How to remove sound from a video. Like say you have a video and you want to remove the sound, you don't like the sound, you want to remove the sound so that maybe later you can add another music background to it or something like that. So I'll be showing you how to remove sound, how to remove the audio from a music. We're going to be using VLC player for this tutorial because VLC have this feature to which you can easily remove your audio from the music from your video. So quickly go on select our video VLC player and modulator. So you go to media, right down here you see convert and save. Click on it. Now right here you see a bunch of things, we're not concentrating on them. You're going to file here, then you click add, so that you're going to select the file, the music, the video you want to remove the audio from. So let me just scroll down here and then see one video. Let's say this, let me use it, and then it's here, see right here. So right immediately we're going to click on here, convert and save. So right here you're gonna see this certain icon, here, so just click on it. So navigate to, okay, here in this encapsulation you're going to see many formats, whichever one you want, but I don't want it to be in MP3, I want it to be MP4. So I wanted the video after the whole stuff to be in MP4. So I check the MP4. So go to audio here. The audio is checked, uncheck it. If you uncheck it, click on save. So right now you choose the destination where you would like to save this file. Let me choose my videos, then rename it to new video. So I click save. So right here is a new destination now. So it's already on convert here. So you click on start. So you will see, if we click on start, you see the media reading, the exact time it takes the media to read on normal time. The normal time it takes the media to load in the beginning is going to be the time it's going to take it to do all this stuff. So right now we're going to be presented with this, either to overwrite or keep the existing one. Let's say keep the existing one. I see in that video. So right now we are done. So you can quickly go to videos, and right there you will see the new video. Click on it and let's play with VLC. You will notice the difference. So you see the video is loading now without any sound, but initially, let me close it and bring it the original video. Is this. So let's play it. You see the sound. This is the sound it makes. This is the sound of the music. But right now, after we've converted, this is the sound. No sound at all. You see it?